Fits in your everyday bag so you can roll more often. Your body and mind are your greatest assets. Regular foam rolling has been proven to have huge benefits on both. With the world's first truly portable roller, you can manage pain and speed your recovery no matter where you are. Roll more, feel better, and conquer the day with your Morph. Not made in China, we get it. $69 may seem like a lot to spend on a foam roller, but the Morph is not your typical roller. It takes a team of European craftsmen, and craftswomen, nearly an hour to assemble over 60 individual pieces into this one-of-a-kind fold-flat mobility tool. No drain pipes covered in foam here. The result is the most convenient and usable roller on the market, making it the most effective foam roller available. As easy as pull and push. With a quick tug on the easy pull ropes, your Morph will expand into a full-size, 5.5 diameter muscle roller. It's 14.5 long, so it will span across your entire back. When you're finished, push firmly on the discs at the end of the roller and it will collapse back down. It's now ready to be stashed back into your daily bag. Collapse. Stash. Go. Portable, sturdy, and kinder to the environment, the Morph weighs in at only 1.5 pounds and collapses down to less than 2 inches thick, slimmer than 2 folded shirts. But don't let the slender form fool you. The Morph has been tested to support up to 350 pounds. Science. With a form factor that's small, there's no reason to leave recovery and mobility training at home. Made with bamboo and recyclable aluminum. 1 roller per purchase. As seen on Shark Tank. Versatile for all athletes. Loved by runners, CrossFit athletes, yoga and Pilates students, swimmers, physical or sports therapy patients. Great for the arch of the foot, and any part of the body but the spine or neck. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for travel. I'm a longtime user of grooved, trigger point rollers as they are essential daily to me as an endurance athlete, but it's always been a challenge fitting them into luggage and deciding how to carry them when I travel, which is frequent. This collapsible roller solves that problem and then some. Plus, it's a high-quality product that is sturdy and truly does its job. I highly recommend this product.